The Gauss function returns the probability that a random variable drawn from a normal distribution will be between the mean and the z standard deviations above or below the mean. So let's generate the Gauss function from this range of x values. So this is our formula, Gauss of the x values. So here you have the Gauss function from -3 to +3. Next, we use the NORMDIST. So begin with the NORMDIST function, our formula, NORMDIST of the x values and 0 mean, 1 deviation, and this is cumulative, so we use 1. And we add negative zero point 0.5. So we have 0 0.5 plus, and because this is negative, so we added negative sign. So we have the exact same values with the Gauss function using the NORMDIST function. Next, we'll use the ERF function, where we evaluate as our formula, ERF of the x values divided by square root of 2. Next, we multiply 0.5 to the ERF function. So 0.5 times ERF. And we have the exact same value as the Gauss function. This completes the explanation of the relationship of Gauss, NORMDIST, and ERF function in the normal cumulative distribution